Okay, so here it is. Um, I'm opening Paint. You do one thing, just link is easy. Yeah, just read this link kind of stuff. Okay, just read link kind of stuff. I will be back in a minute, 1 or 2 minutes. Just okay. Read the link. Only one link is there. Yeah, I will explain about what is soft link and hard link. Just what is link. Read it. If you want, you can write it. I will be back in 1 minute. Yeah, sorry, small work, that's all. Okay. Even I didn't take much time. Okay. Guys, it is a link. Actually, I want to show you SSH, how to connect it. Just for a break, I changed it. So first I will tell LN, and then I will go to SSH. Okay. So first of all, what is this LN kind of stuff? Okay, link. Okay, the command is LN. Okay, what is this LN or a link kind of stuff? We'll see. Guys, we have a file, and I link this file. I linking to the another file. Okay, another file. So this is called a link. Just I am putting link. So what is this meaning is a link means either it is a connection or a mounting, or you can say a shortcut. A shortcut. Okay. So we link a file to another file. So that is link. Because of that link, any modification occur in the first file, same modification occurs in the second files also. Okay, keep it that mind. There is a link between a file to another files. Okay, so what are the types of link? Here it is: hard link, soft link. Two type of links are there. What are the type of links? Hard link and soft link. Okay, so um, what is this hard link and soft link thing? First of all, I have original. Okay, I have original file. I have a original file. For example, my original file name is O file 1. Okay, this is my original file I created. Now I am creating a hard link to I'm creating hard link file h file 1. Think like this. Okay, I'm creating a hard link file. I'm creating hard link file h file 1 on a O file 1. So the command is ln O file 1 and h file 1. Okay, O file 1 and h file 1. Okay, so I am connecting original file to the hard link file. So this is the command. Next one is soft link file. For example, I want to create a soft link file s file 1 on O file 1. On or a 2, both you can use it. It is hard link to original file O file 1. Okay, this file is soft link to original file. Guys, not only a text, also you understand my sentence also. Okay, the words also. This is a syntax to create a hard link file. First is ln command original file and hard link file. Guys, remember hard link file should not be exist before you create. Hard link file should not be there before you doing this one. So h file 1 don't create. It will create automatically. This command will create h file 1. So don't create a h file 1 before it. Okay. So some people already create a h file 1. Sir, command is not working. Okay. So this will create a h file 1. Okay. Next, ln space hyphen s o file 1 s file 1 o file 1 s file 1. So what is this? So hyphen s represents soft link. So here I showed original file, hard link file, soft link file. So O file 1 is original file, H file 1 hard link file, S file 1 soft link file, okay, H file 1 hard link file, O file 1 original file, right? So three files are there. So what is the difference between? So it is compulsory. What is difference between between hard link and soft link. Okay, this is a compulsory. This question is there: how to create a hard link, how to create a soft link, and what is the difference between hard link and soft link? That is very important question. Okay, because of one more point is there. Inode value is also there. That's why this topic become a more interesting and a more important in the Linux interviews. Okay, for every time I don't like to say like a interview kind of stuff, but now it become a compulsory to say for people. Okay, so no problem. So we'll see what is hard link and what is soft link. For this one I want to use a notepad for this one. So this is my WoW file one, and I created a H file one. It is a hard link file. Okay, and I have a WoW file one, and I creating a H file one, S file one. It is a short link file. Okay, so linking is always like this, right? Linking. This is original file. This is hard link file. Okay, and this is soft link file. Guys, remember here it is. You should put a table. Alright, so you should put a table. So better one time explanation is better. Okay. Original file, hard link, soft link. For example, guys, original file size is, for example, it is 40K. For example, currently it is 40K. Hard link file size is also 40K automatically. Soft link file is 6K. Okay. For example, you add more data. In the original file. Is, for example, it become a 100K. Your hard link file is become 100K, and soft link file is 6K only. So this is the first one differences. And of course, I didn't tell you one point is, so what are the data in the, I told, but I will tell again. So what are the data in the original file? Same data you can get it from the H file 1 and S file 1. S file 1 is like a shortcut. H file 1 is like a duplicate with a link. It's like a duplicate with a link. So like this. This is like a duplicate, not extra copy, duplicate with link. It is like a shortcut. If you add a data to the original file, same data you can able to get it from hard link file and as well as a soft link file. Okay, so no difference between when you are accessing data. For accessing data, original file, hard link file, soft link file, all are same only. You can access the data through shortcut or directly file. So right, so same thing like this. Okay. Add or access data from original, hard link, and soft link. Okay, add or access data from original file, hard link file, or a soft link file. Okay, you can add the data, anything. Okay, so all files have same data. So that is the main thing about linking. main thing about a linking. Like you can add a data to original file, you can access from hard link file. You can add a data to the soft link file, you can access from the original file. Anything. So all the maintain same data. All files have same data. Okay. You can access the data from any file. So that is, we can say you can access data from any file. Any file means original file or a hard link file or a soft link file. So, but this is the common thing I want to tell. So next one is that first of all, original file, how much size of the original file is same size as a hard link file. How much size of the hard link file? Okay, sorry. What are the size of the original file or a hard link file? Soft link file size will be like this: 6K, 3K, 10K, like that, one shortcut size only. It is a shortcut size. It's like a shortcut and do.
So what is the main difference between HardLink and SoftLink?
This is the one of the difference. So one is difference is original file and hard link file is same size. It's like a duplicate file. If original file size increases, means you add more data, hard link sizes also will be increased. But soft link file, see, the size is not increasing, even though original file is very importantly say if original file deleted, okay, it remains, it is deleted or invalid, unable to access, that kind of stuff is there. It means if original file is there, then only soft link file has there. Okay.
What's that, sir? What's the difference between copy and hard linking it?
Copy and hard link. Yeah, very good. Copy means you copy a file from here to there. For example, you have a file one. You copied into some different location, right? You copied a file, okay, or maybe you copied into file 11. Now this file already contains some line. Okay, so it contains a line one. Okay, only line one is there, for example. So you copied it, right? So this is also contain line one. Very good. Now what you done? You added a line two, but this it does not contain line two. Why? Because you copied once. That's it. So when you are copying the first file, what are the data in the first file? Same data will be in the copy also. In the second file, same data is there. But whenever you add some data to the first file, the data is not adding to the second file automatically, because you copied a file, but there is no link between these two files. Link is not there. Very good. Link is not there. But if you look at here, link is there. Okay, hard link is there. So if you add a data to the original file, it is also added to the hard link file. Okay, if you delete the original file, hard link files remains in the system. It not deleted. It don't delete. But soft link file will be deleted. Soft link file will be deleted. Okay, because of there is a link. Okay, copy is also duplicate. Hard link is also like a duplicate, but this is having a link. Original file changes, hard link changes, or hard link changes, original file changes, like that. Okay, same inode value, so there's a few things you can't write in a table manner, guys. Both will having a same inode value. Okay, so and soft link inode is different. Okay, same inode value for a hard link file and soft link file. Both are maintaining same file size. Okay. Original and hard link. Same only. Earlier one only I'm writing. Okay. So here, what are I written? Same thing I'm writing here when you are telling a differences. Original file and hard link file are same size. Okay. So remember, original file. Always it is try to original file size increases, then hard link file size increases, and soft link file size constant. Constant. Constant means same size only. Practically we can see no problem. Okay. So we'll see the practically. So what is this inode value? I will explain guarantee. So original file, hard link file same size. Original file size increases, hard link file size also increases, but soft link file is okay. Soft link file is not increases. It is constant. It is constant. Okay. Original file deleted. If you delete the original file, hard link file remains in system, and soft link file um, become invalid invalid, or we can say not available, okay, or deleted. This kind of stuff will happen. Okay, so this is common things. First one is so hard original file, hard link file, soft link file. You can add a data to original file, or you can add a data to hard link file or soft link file. So if whenever you're adding a data, the data is same in all these three files. You can access the data, and you can add the data, you can access the data, you can modify the data in any of the file. So both all the files are having same data. All files having same data. Can access data from any file because all are having same data. But original file size, hard link file size is same, soft link file is different. Original file size increases, hard link size is also increases, soft link file is not increases because it's maintained same size only. Hard link file is a duplicate file, is like a duplicate file with a link, like a copy only, but it is having a link automatically. Okay, a soft link file is like a shortcut. It's not like a shortcut, it is a shortcut itself. If you delete a original file, hard link files won't delete it. Still it is having a data. It remains and it has a data. Data is also there. Even though original file is deleted, you have a hard link file and remains in the system, and it is having a data. Soft link file is invalid or deleted or not available. It's showing not available. Inode value for a original file and hard link file is same, and soft link file is different. I will explain the inode value anyway. Something is missing. Yeah. When original file is updated, last modification date. Okay. So last modification date and time Same for original file, original and hard link. Okay, different for a soft link file. So we'll see the practically before going to see the practically what is this inode. Actually, I'm unable to find out my one PDF is there that is very good explanations. Of course, I have a lot of textbooks also there. But guys, inode or inode table understanding of Linux is so many year there. Inode, I-N-O-D-E. That's it. Inode in the Linux. See, I needed some picture for explanation. This is a correct picture actually. Not complete correct picture also. It's okay. Even this is also, this is only inode a table explanation, not a complete explanation. It's okay. So we'll see. So look at here, guys. In a Linux system, in our entire Linux system, data stores in the disk only, but it is in a different format. So format or storage thing is different. As I said, Linux, Unix are directly is like we can directly understand the file levels. Okay. In Windows, we don't go with that kind of stuff. Okay. So only we are going with the tools which we are using to manage or administrate our Windows operating system. Whereas in a Linux, so from the kernel itself, we can able to manage or manipulate or knowing, at least for understanding is there. This inode thing is also belongs to kernel, okay. So in your hard disk we have a different sectors are there. The first thing is like here it is boot block. Boot block contains bootable files. You have a grub file is there, no? /boot/grub. That related files will stores in boot block. So when you start your system, the in blue boot block data is there, it will load into the system boot block. Will tell you where is the bootable files data like that. So boot block, super block, okay, inode block like that, okay, data block like that. So blocks are there. So I'm not going to all the blocks. I am going to only 2 blocks only. Okay. Okay. Like 2 blocks only. There are a lot of blocks are there. I'm not going to all the blocks. Inode. Inode block. Okay. This is inode block. And this is data block. Okay. So what are the blocks are there? So forget about it. Only 2 blocks are important. That to main is inode block is important. Okay. This is my inode block. Okay. So what is this in the inode block? You have to go through it. This inode block contains tables. This inode block contains tables. Table. Okay. A table. Each table is for a file or a folder. For each file and a folder, even though folder is a file, it is nothing. Folder or a directory. Has file or a folder has a inode table. Okay. So these inode tables are in the inode block. Inode block contains what it contains? Tables. Inode block contains inode table. So for example, I have a file. Okay, file 1 is there. File1.txt. This is my file. I have a file. Okay, this file related inode number is there. For example, 7634. Okay, this is my inode table number. So the table number is in inode block, and this is table is belongs to file1.txt. So what is my file1.txt? File name is file1.txt. Who created username? Okay, username or user ID. Actually, user ID. Okay, user ID will be there like a 500 or 1000 something. Okay, that is belongs to a particular user. Group ID. GID. So users primary group. So for example, it is also 1001 group ID, user ID, group ID, owner, mm, permissions, okay, read write permissions, execute permissions, permission set is there, read write permissions, read only permission, like read write permissions, when it is created date, last modification, modify date and time, last modified date and time, last modification date and time, mm, data block number. Okay, so where is which data block contains this data? This is only details of the inode table contains the details of your file or a directory. Details. So what are the details? You can see here it is also you can see user ID, group ID, mode, flags, date and timestamp, hard link counters, soft link counters. Okay, yeah, link counters, links, link information like a hard link, soft link information. Okay, yeah, it is not right typing. Soft link, soft link information, hard link information, soft link information, flag, size, we forget size. Okay, size is also important, right? Size is important. Okay, so like this. Okay, so what is the inode table? Inode table is belongs to a file or directory. Is belongs to file or directory. So inode table contains information of your file or directory kind of stuff. Okay, information related to file or directory. So what is the information? So you can get it from here. So information of file or a directory, data block numbers like that. So okay. So what is this data block number? Yes, this is the only file information. But file contains the data, right? File contains the data. Data stores in data block. Data stores in a data block. On which data block is data is storing, that information is available in data block number. That is information also available in this inode table. Okay, guys, understand what is inode? Before you go into practical, so we have to know what is inode also, because that is also very important for a year. So when it is comes inode is same for both hard link and soft link, then question will come up. So what is inode? Okay. So guys, understand inode or not?
Yes, sir.
Every file and directory has a inode table. Okay. Inode tables in inode. So inode table has a table number which belongs to a file or directory. Directory means it is also in a hierarchy. Directory is also a file kind of stuff only one day. Okay. Now see the content of inode table is user ID, group ID, or a owner information, permission information. Okay, like a read, write, execute permissions, read, write, execute permissions. Okay, ACL, access control means access permissions. ACL related permissions, size of the file, last modification, date and time stamp are also we can say last modification, date and time. Okay, yeah, anything I will forget. Link counters, how many links are there, like a hard link, soft link, soft link kind of counters. Next, very last one is data block ID or a number we can say. Okay, so data block, it is specifically like a data block comes up. So when it is data block stores actual data, actual actual data block stores actual data, not okay. So inode contains information, so simply say inode means contains information. So remember, inode contains information only. File. Okay, so this is simply remember always contains information, okay. So what type of information? This is the information. So this is about your inode. So guys, compulsory this will be there. So what is the link, what is link, what is hard link, what is soft link, commands, how to use it, and what is the link. Okay, what is the difference between original hard link and soft link, and when it is comes, definitely inode value is also there. Okay, we do practically, so we'll come to the practical anyway. Actually, I like to put things into the pictorial manner also. I will write in about in a link kind of stuff also, but it's okay, we'll leave it. So I'm logging already in a route, so you can log in with us general account also, guys. For this practical also, you don't require admin login. Okay. So first I will do it, and then I will give you a 5 minutes break, 5 or 10 minutes break. Then, if you can able to do it immediately. Okay. So do like that always. Quite it will keep complete. Guys, I didn't receive any doubts also. Installation doubts you are sending, that is okay, but I didn't receive from everyone installation successful or not. The second one is I'm getting doubts like are you practicing or not? Practice is very important, guys. Without a practice, just listening and writing or reading, you cannot get through this interview, guys. Cognizant interview I'm talking. Interview or ask the questions in a three ways. One way is pretty straightforward. Basics, very forward. What is Linux? What is Windows differences? That is one thing. When come to the practical, practically they will ask, what if you done like this? Last time you guys are asking me, what if two files are there, both are existing. I put a CP file name and file name. Both files are there. So what will happen? It is asking overwrite. If press yes, what will happen? If press no, what will happen? So that is like each and everything is there. So compulsory, if you don't know the environment, practical environment, definitely can't give the answers. And we cannot trust always same questions will come up or the same way they will ask. No one knows. Okay. So compulsory, thoroughly prepare. Not only statements. Yeah. First one is, guys, first of all, we have to create a file, or you can take a existing file also. But I'm creating a file. So I put a clear. I'm creating a file cat greater o file 1. So I'm putting this is o file 1. Okay. Um, it's a original file. It's a original file. Two lines I added. Control D. So saved. Now check it. What is the file data? Always, guys, verify. Okay. ls space -l o file 1. So this is the information about your o file 1. Okay. Now I'm creating ln. I'm creating ln o file 1 h file 1. Okay. H file 1 is not created, not yet created. It is not there. Now it is created. ls space -l, the question mark. No, 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 no. No, no, no. So I'm going to create SoftLink file also. Okay. Yes, file 1. I'm creating SoftLink file. ln original file and h file 1. ln space -s means SoftLink file I'm creating. O file 1. Yes, file 1. Second one is yes, file 1. O file 1, yes, file 1. O file 1, h file 1. Okay. So this is how to create a hard link and soft link. Here I created a hard link. Here I created a soft link. So O file 1 I created. H file 1 I am not created. I created link all. Okay. Just I created it. Now ls space -l question mark. What is the meaning of question mark? Single character. Single character. OHS. OHS. Only that is the difference, right? So that's why I put a question mark. Now can you see this one? Can you see this one? So O file 1. This is the O file 1. And it is showing 2. 2 means link is there. Okay. Whenever you are having a link, automatically shows 2. 1, 2. No link, 1. Link, 2. More links, more numbers. See the time also, last modification time. And if you see, this is when it is created. Size is 6. Size is 35. See the permission set. like this. But it is see like this. S file 1 is giving a marking like see the arrow mark to O file 1. It means it is belongs to O file 1. Guys, I created a H file 1, S file 1. The first statement will verify here. The first statement is add or access the data from original file, HardLink file, same. The all files having same data, access data from any file, right? So cat O file 1, cat H file 1, cat S file 1. See, all these three files having same data, but sizes are different. Okay, what I'm going to do is cat double greater. What is double greater, guys? Append. I'm adding extra line to my H file 1. So I'm putting this is H file 1 and it's hard link file, control D. Okay, add two lines to H file 1, cat O file 1, same data. See, two lines are added to my existing one. Cat H file 1, same data. Cat S file 1, same data. For example, you want to add some data to S file 1. Okay, so this is S file 1. Okay, it is it's a soft link file, control D. Okay, now check it. S file 1 having 6 lines now. H file 1 having 6 lines. O file 1 having same data. Okay, and if you go to that ls kind of stuff, okay, like this, look at here, my hardlink file size is increases, softlink file size not changes. Okay, and I'm adding a I, so then you can see inode value. If you look at the inode value of hardlink file and softlink file, so you will get a same inode value, same inode value. You can see same inode value, but here it is. If you look at this one, the modification date changes. Original file and hardlink file modification date changes, but softlink file, when I created a softlink file, that time or date only it is showing. Time and date only that is showing. It is not updating along with that one. Size is 6 only. Earlier is also 6, now also 6. And inode value is different from inode value of my O file and H file. Okay, these are the differences. So what are the differences? Original file size, hardlink file is same, but softlink file is like a constant. For example, original file size increases, hardlink file also will increases, but softlink file is not increases. Okay, inode value is same for original file and hardlink file and different for a softlink file. And a softlink file is also showing it is belongs to O file 1. Guys, up to here, okay or not? Because I'm going to delete a original file to verify if original file is deleted, hardlink file will be there, softlink file will be there, like that. Up to now, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
guys,
sir.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
very good. I'm going to delete O file 1. How to delete O file 1? File deletion.
RM.
Very good. Okay, it may ask you question like do you want to delete or not kind of stuff, or may not. So whatever it is, I'm putting rmo file 1. It is asking put a yes, only one file, no, so no problem. Otherwise you can use -f. Okay, I deleted a original file. Now go again, look at here, see h file 1 is there and o file 1, it is showing like this. See s file 1 is showing red color. See how it is showing here, how it is showing here. Okay, cat h file 1, data is there. Whatever the data is previously, data is there. Yeah, cat s file 1, no such a file or directory. It is saying there's no file. In a list, it is showing because it is that there is a file without having original file, or a link is gone. But when you are trying to access because of original file is not there, shortcut file won't work, right? Look at, I have a lot of shortcuts in my system. Here it is. Some may not have, like I uninstalled that application or I deleted the data. So then I open that application, it throws an, it will tell application or data is source data is not available. Do you want to remove this shortcut? Same goes like this. Same goes like this for us. So original file deleted. HardLink file has a data and SoftLink file is invalid. Guys, I put a lot of commands like this. One by one command, one by one I put a command. Yes. You can able to copy the commands and paste into your notepad. That is full history of the commands. Each one by one you can also copy. But sometimes it is difficult. Or you don't want this extra data. You want only to copy the sequence of commands or a general thing. Also we can able to do it. History. You can type history. Only commands it will display. Yeah, this is a very good sequence without doing any much errors. So first I created a file and I put some data. Next I verified the file. This is check the file kind of stuff. And first one is hardlink file. Next I created a softlink file and I verified hardlink softlink file like this using a wildcard. Next verify the data in original file. Okay, verify the data in other two files, hardlink file and softlink file. Add some data to hardlink file and verify with all the three files. Add some data to softlink file and verify with all the three files. Okay, so then we'll understand the data in the one file is same data in the all other files. Okay, next one is verify the differences. So size of the file increases, but size of the original file will be increases. One original file is increases, hardlink file is increases, but softlink file showing like 6 only. See, earlier also 6. You can see the permission set, how it is different. Linking, last modification also different. Okay, this arrow mark is still showing. Next, I represent inode value. You can see hardlink file and original file same inode value. Softlink file different inode value. And last test or last difference is if you delete original file, the softlink file is become invalid. Hardlink file still we can able to accessible. So this is a complete practical and with explanation and with the differences of hardlink and softlink. Okay, guys, can you able to do it right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, just a 10